It started with hope. Hope was the code word for the Mobile campaign to recruit the Airbus commercial airplane assembly line project to Brookley Field. It all began in the summer of 2011. For more than 10 months, we worked tirelessly together, building the case for why the Airbus A320 aircraft should be assembled in Mobile, the port city. The group included Airbus officials, business leaders, and elected and community officials from Mobile and across the state of Alabama. We joined together to develop a plan that would win the hearts and minds of Airbus and the local community. We worked better together. We made progress. It wasn't hard. Mobile met all the technical requirements needed for the facility. Infrastructure was key, and our site was perfect. It had an airport and an ocean port. There was plenty of land for building at Brookley and even room for expansion in the future. The workforce was there. Alabama has a history in aerospace. We put man on the moon. With more than 400 aerospace companies in the state, to include Airbus Defense and Space and the Airbus Engineering Center, both located in Mobile. But the factor that changed everything was our team effort. The unity and support shown by the state of Alabama, the city of Mobile, and the people. Everyone came together to show that this would be a partnership that would go the distance. Finally, on July 2nd, 2012, what started as hope became reality. Together, we welcomed the news Airbus would build its first U.S. aircraft assembly line, a $600 million investment, here in Mobile. It was a significant event in the U.S. aerospace industry, but it was even more significant to all of us here in Mobile. We had done it. In February 2013, Airbus selected Hoare Program Management and Hatch Mott McDonald to oversee the project, a massive undertaking with an ambitious timeline and exacting construction demands. 2 months later, we broke ground at an event that included high-ranking Airbus officials, top Alabama and local leaders, and an estimated 2,000 spectators. What started as a tiny speck of hope began to grow into the 750,000 square feet of facilities that stand here today. As work moved along, more contractors and construction workers joined us to bring the 116-acre site to life. Over 3,000 foundation pilings were drilled. 38,000 cubic yards of concrete were poured. 5,300 tons of structural steel were erected. 1.45 million square feet of concrete and asphalt paving was laid down. 63% of the construction contractors were local to Mobile. More than 80% were from the great state of Alabama. At the peak of the project, Airbus was building at a rate of almost $900,000 a day. 10 U.S. airlines currently fly Airbus A320 family aircraft in their fleets. There are 927 Airbus A320 family aircraft currently in use by those airlines. Our Mobile Airbus team continued to grow as well. New employees had job-specific Alabama industrial development training in Mobile. The teams traveled to Toulouse, France, and Hamburg, Germany for even more extensive training with corporate. In June, Airbus components arrived via fanfare and made the final 4-mile trek of their journey in a Mardi Gras-style parade down the streets of Mobile to our new home. Over the next year, we will embark on a new journey along the Alabama Gulf Coast, the assembly of commercial airplanes at Airbus's first assembly plant in North America. As Henry Ford said, "Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success." We've proven all three. We have been and will continue to be better together.